皆さん、こんにちは. Hello everyone, I'm a Japanese teacher Neil. Today, I'm gonna talking about what is tamego. Yes, tamego is casual Japanese. Yeah, so if you are learning Japanese, you may have wondered, when can I use casual Japanese? Is tamego rude? Or can I use tamego with Japanese people? Yes, today I'll explain what tamego is, when you use it, and when not to use it. Okay? So let's go. Well, what is tamego is? Yeah, first, tamego meaning is casual Japanese. So it is Japanese without polite expression, like this and must. Yeah, for example, 大丈夫です is polite. Casual Japanese tamego is 大丈夫大丈夫 Yeah, so that means I'm okay. Yes, and also 行きます I go. You can say 行く That's easy, right? So 行く is casual Japanese. Yes. Well, who can use tamego is? This is very important. You can use tamego basically for friends, family, your people around your age, and also people who say you can speak casually, right? And also, you should not use tamego with stranger or the people and teacher, boss. Yeah, at work. Basically, we use polite Japanese, which is keigo. Yes. So when it's doubt, I recommend you and not to use tamego. Okay. Next. When do Japanese people switch tamego? Yeah, in Japanese, people usually start with polite Japanese, keigo. So then, after conversation and get close, we use tamego. So you can speak casually. You must use tamego. Yeah, no must. You can use tamego. Yeah, or some people say you can say in tamego. So after that, we start to speak tamego. Okay. Next is when tamego sounds rude. Yes, tamego can sometimes sound rude. It like you use it too early. Yes, or your tone is too strong. Yes. So, and also it sounds like an order. For example, 来て、たい、来てくれる Both of tamego, but it's like its meaning is same, but very different feelings. Even Japanese people using tamego is worried about. Yes, so I pretty much feel your feelings. Yes. Yeah. So when to use tamego, when to say polite. Japanese people sometimes worried about it. So if you make a mistake, no worry. 大丈夫です. Yes? Yeah. That's conclusion. Let's go. Let's summarize. Yeah. Tamego is casual Japanese and use it with friend and close people. Yes, start with polite Japanese, please, like stranger. Yeah, when you speak with stranger, please use tamego. Also, switch only after close or permission. Well, yeah, tamego is not bad Japanese. Yeah, and also it's Japanese for building closeness. Yeah. So, I highly recommend to use it. Well, and also if you want to know more tamego expression, I will make another video. So please check it out too. And also you want to study more Japanese, I'm offering coaching program. So please check it out if you want to. And right now I'm offering 50% discount of coaching program. So please check it out. My description. お願いします. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. So if you have interested in Japanese learning, such as awesome things, so please keep going and believe yourself with your process. You must be speak Japanese if you keep going to do that. Well, thank you for watching my video. 私の動画見てくれてありがとうございます。それでは次の動画でお会いしましょう。See you in the next video. Bye bye.